2, 1.
We're on a race car. Lock it down, lock it down.
Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low, low, low. They're wrecking.
That was close.
Green checker. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
Three races remaining in the season, and for some reason the word uncertainty keeps coming up. That means it's must-see TV. It is daring, it is gutsy, it is uncertainty, and it's all in front of us. 500 miles. The second race in the round of 8, and a spot in the championship 4 is up for grabs. 2 by 2, they come to the start line, racing in Texas.
Looking there. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
The 9 of Chase Elliott is in the wall.
All right, we hit the wall, front and back. Sorry, dude. Just trying to roll that top there. This slipped. Yeah, I just bring it to us. We'll take a look at it. Keep coming straight. Sitting house pushing inside. Watch the 2 out front. Stay low. Check, check, stay.
Got a wreck.
Wow! Hard into the wall in turn 4. And Keselowski's caught up in it as well.
2 cars, seriously. Got that little bit free, and then got that lane up where it hadn't been worked in. It looked like it just along for the ride, Paul. 17 wrecked pretty much the same way behind us. They're about 5. Got a wreck on the front over here. Caution's out.
Denny Hamlin across the grass.
The hell happened in the 11? Got up in the juice and lost it. Well, that's not good. If we get half a lane too high, then that's when we get in trouble in 3 and 4. All clear here. All right, green checker.
Kevin Harvick will win stage 1.
All right, good job there. All right, man, stupid fast right now, B20s and 30s. That time's really fast, honestly. Oh, you didn't believe me? Well, I looked down and saw that 10, and I was like, that can't be a 29. Yeah, that's a 29 10. Goose starting to haul ass on the top now. 10 was the fastest last lap, wherever he ran. We're back. Green checkered right there, that baby.
Almirola coming back into the quad oval, and he will win stage 2.
Take a shot, bud.
Jimmy Johnson spins in turn 2.
Come on, hang on to that thing. Hang on to it. How's your steering wheel? Bennett. Is your steering wheel off? Yes, sir, it's bent. Yellow's out. Guys, be ready here. Might put tires on here. Hey, gas only here. We got equipment over the wall. We gotta go to the tail.
Well, Kevin Harvick trying to figure out how they got equipment over the wall when they did fuel only, but that is the penalty that NASCAR is saying that put Kevin Harvick to the back of the field, currently sitting in 22nd.
Harvick on the bottom, Almirola rides the middle groove. Harvick will take that lead.
All right, smooth and straight, hit your marks here.
Kevin Harvick has pulled out to pretty sizable lead.
He will now tie Tony Stewart, 14th all-time for wins. Kevin Harvick wins in Texas.
Going to Homestead, baby. Oh, yeah, boys! Way to go!
It is the 5th time to make it to Miami in 6 years.